Welcome back to GSET Educational Hub Learn at Home. Listen a short sound from classroom environment.
As what I have told you about this,
Plasma cancel.
with having the same numbers,
Same
value of numbers. This is a number and this is a sign. There are four signs in mathematics.
Plus,
Basic four signs. Plus,
minus,
multiply,
divide.
and divide. These are four signs. These are four signs that work with our these numbers. These numbers. But how we remember about how to use of them? As I write a question for you as 3 multiplied by 5 divided by multiply by 5 divided by 2 minus 3 plus 5. How you can solve this?
This is solved by
BORDMAS rule. What is the BORDMAS rule? First of all, we use to eliminate the sign of dash dash in BDMAS. What is the short wording for BORDMAS? BDMAS. B mean
bracket.
B mean bracket. D mean
Divide.
M mean
Multiply.
A mean
Addition.
and S mean
Subtraction.
and you will also learn about BORDMAS in 5 class.
Actually, today my topic is about AV ads. I will share with you best 15 AV ads that you can use inside the classroom. And you can also learn with more on web page available in description. Now start our topic and start learning about the kind of AV ads that we can use inside the classroom.
Whiteboard or chalkboard. This is traditionally usable item. It's very effective tool for writing and drawing during the lesson. The second one is projector. Projector is used to display images, videos and presentations on a large screen or on a wall. The next one is interactive whiteboard. Interactive whiteboard is a touch-sensitive display board that allow teachers and students to interact with digital content, write, draw, and manipulate objects on the screen. This is touch display and you don't need any marker or pen to write on this screen. The next one is visual charts and posters. Colorful charts, posters, and diagrams that visually represent information and concept. Visual charts and posters are the information that you display inside the classroom. This information may be in the text form or in a visual form or in the form of pictures or in the form of art. Next, AV ad that you can use inside the classroom is flashcard. Flashcards with words, pictures, or both used to reinforce vocabulary, spelling, and language learning.
The next one AVAD is educational videos. Pre-recorded videos are animations that present educational content in an engaging and visual manner. This is very useful AVAD. That is very useful for learning.
My next topic is audio recording. As audio recording is AV ads that you have learned the sound of small kid he is reading or content for you. I have recorded it inside the classroom for you with Audio Lab. Audio Lab is a software that you can use for multi-purpose. As our this topic is about educational software and apps. You can use all kind of these apps to promote education inside the classroom. The next AV ad is many platters. As hands-on objects such as blocks, counting ads, puzzles, and shapes that help students understand mathematical terms and concepts. The next AV ad is models and props. This is the concept of three-dimensional representations of objects, animals, plants, buildings, or scientific concept to add in understanding and exploration. The next AV ad is about digital media as document camera, a device that captures real-time images or videos for documents, books, objects, or student work and displays them on a screen. The next one AV is digital tablets. These are portable touchscreen devices that can be used for interactive activities, drawing, writing, and accessing educational apps. The next one is smartphones. This is also very useful AV ads for classroom for your work inside the classroom as you know about and I have already tell you about this. You can access everything with smartphone that can provide you help inside the classroom. The next AV ad is virtual reality VR and augmented reality AR. It's very a massive technology that provides students with virtual experience and enhance their understanding of various subjects. The last one and most useful AVIAD is online learning platforms as web-based platforms that offer educational content, interactive activities, quiz and assessments. You can also use different websites, different application and also YouTube as a platform for learning. In my upcoming videos, I will also discuss with you about different types of AV ads and also about low cost and high cost AV ads that we can use to enhance learning inside our schools. Thank you for being with me. मिलते हैं